Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the IceRiver AL0 mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 2.3 kilograms and gross weight about 3.45 kilograms. IceRiver AL0 supports the Blake 3 algorithm, allowing you to mine ALPH cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 403 GH/s. Its power consumption is 100 watt. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. When the actual hash rate is 403 GH/s, the power consumption is around 118 watt, and the noise level is approximately 36.6 decibels. Both the power consumption and the quiet operation are excellent. The miner dissipates heat through an external heatsink that covers the entire body, and the exterior temperature can reach over 60 degrees Celsius after continuous operation, making it impossible to hold in bare hands. The cooling efficiency can be improved by adding a cooling fan to the reserved cooling fan position. It is also possible to add a customized exclusive housing and 2 fans for cooling. How to set up the mining machine to make it work properly: open the official website of Glacier, click on the batch management tool, click on the download, open the software, detect the IP to find the mining machine we are now connected to. Go to the mining machine settings, fill in the mining address and miner name, and then save it. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income, and so on. Based on an ALPH price of $1.63 and a mining difficulty of 652.43 T on September 12, 2024, the daily earnings of IceRiver AL0 miner are approximately $2.64. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. Below is a comparison of the parameters of the ALPH home quiet miner. Summary: the IceRiver AL0 400G miner is a simple design, low power consumption, silent miner. 400 GH/s arithmetic power is only 100 watt. The miner supports ALPH mining, which can be adapted to home, company, and other environments mining. Click on the buy link below the video to purchase directly. Buy miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.